These ugly tiles. You need something new. With Xeramin Vario, that's easy. Xeramin Vario is easy to transport and is no more difficult to install. And with it, everything stays nice and clean. Convinced? With a few simple steps, you can reach your goal. Adhesive, a notched trowel, a tape measure, a utility knife and a level. That's all the tools you'll need. You can leave your old tiles on the wall. Xeramin Vario can be simply and conveniently laid over them. First, clean the surface and treat it thoroughly. Easily cut the individual Xeramin Vario panels to the correct size with a utility knife. Apply the adhesive with a trowel. Start laying the panels on the wall. And work from one end of the wall to the other. Next comes the floor. A short pre-treatment and it's ready. Through the water-repellent profile system, the individual panels are perfectly connected. Additional grouting is not necessary thanks to the sleek micro-joint. Now, you just have to clean the surface and you're finished. Laying tiles yourself made easy with Xeramin Vario. The real alternative to natural stone and tiles.